Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're making something that's bold, cozy, and only needs one pot. We're talking one pot Cajun Orzo. This one's got creamy vibes, spicy Cajun flavor, and comes together in under 30 minutes. Let's jump in. Alright, first things first. Let's heat up a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot or deep skillet over medium heat. Once that's hot, we're going in with half a diced onion and 1 chopped bell pepper. I'm using red today, but yellow or green works too. Sauté these for about 2 to 3 minutes until they soften up a bit. Alright, time to bring the flavor. I'm going in with a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Give that a stir to coat everything. Now for the orzo. We're adding 1 cup of it straight into the pot. If you've never used orzo, it's like rice and pasta had a baby. It soaks up flavor so well. Next up, pour in 2½ cups of chicken broth. Veggie broth works too. Stir that up, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and pop a lid on. This'll cook for about 12 minutes. But don't worry, we're not waiting that long here. Stir it occasionally so the orzo doesn't stick. This is a good time to clean up your area or just vibe for a sec. Fun tip, if you like it extra creamy, you can stir in a splash of cream or a bit of cream cheese at the end. We'll get to that. Alright, fast forward. The orzo's cooked and it's soaked up most of that broth. Now we're going to finish it off with half a cup of shredded cheddar or a mix of cheese. Stir that in until it melts and gets creamy and luscious. This is when things start getting really cozy. You could totally add some chopped spinach or kale right now too. Let it wilt in the heat and feel good about your life choices. Last thing, a sprinkle of fresh parsley and maybe an extra hit of Cajun seasoning on top if you're feeling spicy. And that's it. One pot Cajun orzo. Cheesy, spicy, cozy, and only 1 dish to clean. You can't beat it. Yup. That's a weeknight winner right there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you'd throw in your version. See you next time.